Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to do data acquisition using a program called FTK Imager and DD utilities. Okay, so without further ado, let me show you how we should start with this tutorial. So I'm going to run this as an administrator. Okay. Oh, it won't allow me, so let's just use the regular one. Okay, uh, first of all, you have to have this VirtualBox installed in your PC. Okay, I'm still using the old one. I already requested the lab assistant to upgrade to the latest one, 7 point something, I believe 7.1. That's the latest one, as of March 20. 2023. Okay, so always use the latest one. I already request to the school, hopefully they will install soon. And make sure that when you install VirtualBox, you need to install the extension pack too. Okay, so let me show it to you where you can get the extension pack or the service pack. It's called VirtualBox, right? Download here. Okay, my my host PC is Windows, so I'm going to by the way, it's 7.0 as of March 2023, right? So I install this one, and you need to install this VM VirtualBox extension pack, right? Because if you do not install this, then we will have some issue afterward. All right, so it's very important. All right, so uh, what are the programs we need to have in order to run this lab, right? To practice on this lab. First, we need to have a Windows 10, right? I will provide it to you, the Windows 10 operating system, because it's already end of life, I believe. So therefore, I still keep a backup of this one, right? So I have Windows 10 operating system installed on my VirtualBox. So you need to have this program, okay? Let me show you where you can get that, right? Since I'm still in this website as well. I'm going to put that in the OneDrive, okay? So let me see if I can access to my OneDrive. I want to have OneDrive here, right? So here I have a OneDrive, and then operating system images. Here we go, Windows 10 OVA, right? OVA. So I'm going to share this to you. I'm going to copy this link, right? Copy this link, and then I'm going to share this to you, okay? So let me see if I can put my note here, right? Here, Control V. Let me see. Copy this link, and then I will put it in the Blackboard, okay? Here we go. That is the link there, all right? So this is where you download it, okay? Requirement, right? Requirement, okay? This is Windows 10, okay? Okay. This is Windows 10, okay? The password is, or the pin is 9111, okay? That's the pin. So because you need to have this pin in order to log in, otherwise you won't be able to get that. All right, okay, so once you have that, you need to go to the setting, right? Go to the setting, go to the storage, right? Okay, so this is the original guest operating system, right? I allocate 50 gig, right? So make sure you have a plenty of space in your hard disk. because otherwise you may not be able to do this exercise, right? The second thing, you need to create this one. What you call this is an extra storage device. It's about 50 gig. So what you need to do, you need to click here. Hold on, I think I may need to close this. Let me see, I open again. Where is my VirtualBox? Here, right? I'm gonna click here and then setting, storage, right? Here we go. You need to add hard disk, right? Add hard disk, and add hard disk and make sure you add hard disk. Don't make the, okay, you create over there, right? VirtualBox disk image, right? So create this by putting like what you call this, virtual disk image, right? Virtual disk image, maybe about 50 megabyte, right? You don't want to put too much because this is just for a data acquisition practice, hands-on lab practice. If you put it too long, then it's gonna take, if you put it too big, then it's going to take a while to format and to do a lot, to do some other stuff, right? So that's the second one, right? So you follow this, right? Maybe you can do fixed size, right? This one, make sure you put it to 50, like I say, right? Since I already created, so here you can create, okay? So I won't do it again because I already have that, right? So that's how you do it, right? So you create extra of that, which is this one. I use VDI5. Notice that I already practiced so many times. It has a lot of file image there, this, okay? And then after that, we need to add this one, right? We need to add this ISO file. Where you can get the ISO file, I'm gonna provide it to you, right? On the Blackboard, right? Let me see if I can have this one ready. Here we go. This one, week 2 iOS file, right? I will provide this to you through Blackboard link. That way you need to add that as well, okay? So let me see if I can go here. You need to go to storage, right? You add this optical, right? You add this ISO file, right? I already put it in there, so I don't need to put it again, right? But since this is your first lab, so you need to add this. So basically on the storage, right, you have 3 items, right? The ISO file, the Windows 10, the other spare hard disk, which is virtual disk image, put it 50 gig, and then the ISO file that I gave it to you, that I will provide it to you, the ISO file, right? This ISO file consists of a DD program and FTK manager, right? Image, right? Imager, right? That's what it is, right? So these are the requirement to do this hands-on lab, okay? What else I need to mention? Another one that I suggest you that I always do, right? On the network setting, first I enable the net. This allow me to go to the internet, right, for external network. And then on the second adapter, I put host only adapter. This allows me to have as an individual or isolated network, okay? For example, 192.168.50.124, right? This is for internal network, okay? So these 2 items, right, as a NAT and as a host only adapter, all right? And this storage, all right? So have this ready, and Once you do that, I'm going to show you how to do the process in the next video. All right? So thank you very much.